In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable auto backup in Hostinger. Having regular backups of your website is crucial to ensure its safety and recovery in case anything goes wrong. So let's dive in and see how you can set up automatic backups easily. To get started, you first need to log into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the dashboard where all your websites are listed. Here, you'll see an option labeled Websites on the main menu. Click on this to view the list of your hosted sites. Now locate the website for which you want to enable automatic backup services. Next, you'll need to click the Manage button associated with the selected site. This action will take you to a new page with various management options for that particular website. Once you're on the Manage page, look for a section that deals with backups. Here, you should see an option labeled Manage under the Daily Backups category. Click on this. It will guide you to a more specific page where you can handle everything related to your backup settings. This is an important step, as having daily backups is a fantastic way to ensure that your information is consistently archived and protected. On the Daily Backups page, there is an option to Add Daily Backups. Click on this to proceed with enabling the Auto Backup feature. Keep in mind that there is a slight catch here. Enabling daily backups requires a subscription to Hostinger's backup service. If you haven't already subscribed to the service, now would be a good time to consider it. Investing in daily backups can save you a lot of hassle in the future by providing peace of mind and ensuring that you always have a recent copy of your website data at your fingertips. By enrolling in this service, Hostinger will automatically save a backup of your site every single day. This is particularly helpful if you're constantly updating your site, uploading new content, or making changes, as it means that you'll have access to a version of your site from the previous day in case anything goes wrong. And that's it. You have now successfully enabled the auto backup feature for your website on Hostinger. Don't forget to check that you've received confirmation that your backup settings have been applied successfully. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with restoring from a backup, just in case you might need to use it someday. I hope this guide has been helpful. By following these simple steps, you've made a great step in ensuring your site's safety and integrity. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Hostinger's support team is always available to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.